Etcetera Pack. Today we're going to be learning how to do the high knee taps. Real simple, easy workout, and it's exactly what it sounds like. You're just doing high knees, you're tapping that knee. So what I really want you to focus on, of course, is keeping that core engaged, because this is a good core workout. It's also a good full body workout. I want you to focus on keeping your arms at like this 90-degree bend, maybe a little bit higher, because your hands is what's going to help you kind of gauge where your knees need to be, because I really want you to keep those knees as high as you can. I don't want you to bring your hands down, trying to touch your knees down here. You know, I really want you to keep those hands up and make an effort to touch that knee. And with this, you can go as slow or as fast as you need to go. Go at your own pace, whatever is comfortable with you, that's what you do. So if you got to start off standing, going like this, go like this. The main thing is, I don't want you to stop until the workout is over and complete with. So just focus on what you can do and go as fast, go at your own pace. Just make sure that you are keeping those knees up. You're making an effort to touch those knees and keep those hands high. You're keeping that core tight, and you stay on your toes. I don't want you landing flat-footed on this one. You know, stay on your toes. Keep that core engaged. Go as fast or as slow as you need to go. And that's a high knee tap.